Hi, and welcome to Saddle Clean International. My name is Dave, and I'd like to take the opportunity to go through our process for you and hopefully give you a little bit of information about a non-entry cleaning system. Our system was developed almost 40 years ago and has been used internationally for the last 40 years to clean all types of silos, bins, hoppers, allowing for complete cleaning, sealing to cone without any entry. As our system is based upon equipment, the results are repeatable, irregardless of the operator, meaning that after completing a training process, your own staff are able to do a complete cleaning, top to bottom, and guarantee the same results that we would have provided ourselves. With over 40 years experience, we've seen pretty much everything in regards to bins. So our system has been adapted so that it'll allow us to clean both scaling on the walls all the way up to rat hole or completely bridged products with the adaptation and addition of additional heads. So if you have any problems with your silos and you're interested in a non-entry, completely safe, clean process, please give us a call. Thanks.